Math 7, Lesson 9.3, Angle Pairs. We're going to be covering a lot of definitions here and then doing some examples of those. First one is complementary angles. The definition is two angles that together their measures add up to 90 degrees. So if we have two angles, say this one's 32 and this one's 58, if you add those together, it's going to be 90 degrees. So two angles next to each other. These two angles are next to each other, and as you can see, they form a right angle of 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles that measures add up to 180. So take, for example, these two angles. If you add them together, their total is 180. And so when you put them together, it's going to be a straight line because 180 degrees is a straight line. So if we had, let's just say this angle we didn't know, but we knew this one, we would just take 180 minus 63 and we could get that one. So supplementary, or the two angles added together, are 180. So we can remember it this way. Complementary is 90 degrees and supplementary is 180 degrees. Adjacent angles are angles that have a common side and vertex but that do not overlap. So adjacent angles means they're right next to each other. So if you have two rooms that are adjacent to each other, it means there's two rooms that are right next to each other. So the angles are right next to each other and they share a common line. Here's another example. These, angle 1 and angle 2, are adjacent. They're right next to each other and they share a common line. Linear pair, angles that are both adjacent and supplementary. So again, supplementary is 180 degrees. So that means that they're next to each other, and then together when you add them up, they're 180 degrees. So there's one example. Here's another example. These two are adjacent. These two angles are adjacent, and when you add them up, they're 180 degrees and they form a straight line. Vertical angles. Vertical angles are a pair of opposite angles formed by intersecting lines. So vertical angles, they'll share the same point. They're right across from each other. So those two are vertical angles, and then these two are vertical angles. So a pair of they're opposite across from each other angles formed by intersecting lines.